Hey everyone, Josh here. It's been a while since I have done anything fire alarm related, at least on YouTube. So I have a really janky system set up. I've had it in here ever since we moved in. There's not much to it. There's 2 smoke detectors, 1 standalone strobe, 3 horn strobes, although the strobe in the basement is not functioning right now. So I'm probably going to have to switch that out. Just a quick overview. You can see there is one of these smoke detectors there. I believe it is an Edwards model. I feel like I should do something fire alarm related. It's been a while, so I am going to do a fire drill. We'll go downstairs and see what all there is. So this panel has been through a lot. It is the Silent Night IFP 1000. Many of you have seen it in a bunch of my previous videos, most of them actually. There's Demon. But you can tell it's definitely a little beat up, but it is still functioning. So in order to do a fire drill, you go to Enter, System Tests, Fire Drill, press any key to start. So here we go. Yes. So I apologize for the disaster of a house. I've been working on a lot of projects, just trying to remodel and whatnot. But anyways, down the line, the system's going to get a lot more robust. It's kind of on a temporary setup, but yeah, I figured it's been a while, so there's a fire alarm video for you all, and there's another one. And Demon. Anyways, that's all.